Jamaican shore fishing here. Big up yourself. Welcome back to the channel, guys. The water is looking good, but it's high tide. I went out this morning, guys, picked up nil. Absolutely not one damn thing this morning. I said, all right, well, I'm gonna push out a little bit later and see what else I can pick up. The fishing time's changed. I haven't been out all week, and this log is floating, but I don't want to slip off it. I want to make sure it's firm before I walk out here to my standing spot. So we're at one of our favorite spots here, guys, and I see a barracuda right there already, and we're gonna pick him up. Let's get that bad boy. I see a barra. He's right there. He's hanging out. He's about a pound or so. Got him. Fish on. Look at that, guys. First cast on, guys. Look at this. First cast Jamaican shore fishing. We got ourselves a barra already. Look at this, guys. This was not a long video. Check it out, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. First cast, guys. I seen him, and I said, let me pick him up. And that's it, guys. Murder she wrote. 2-pound barra. Yep, very nice size barra. He's going home, definitely. Going home for sure. Caught him on the new lures, guys. Let's get him unhooked and get that lure out of his mouth. You guys are Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. I just seen him, spotted him right there, guys. And I'm like, all right, well, you know, I had on my shades. You have to wear polarized shades when lure fishing, guys, because it does help out a lot, because you can see in the water and actually see the fish. So let me get this guy secured up and get the hooks out of his mouth. I don't want to get hooked by a hook again today. Let me put this rod down so I can have my hands freed up, guys. Yeah, guys, you got to be careful when taking the lures outside of the fish, because they do flash and jump around like he's doing. He's dying. So obviously this is what they're gonna do. So what you want to do is secure him so that he can't jump, and get your tools and hold him. So one of my tools that I use is my lip grip tool, guys, and I try my best not to let this guy flip around on me too much and flip that lure towards my hand, because that's where the problem's at, guys. You don't want that happening. So yep, wait till he opens his mouth up, then you grab him with the tool. You secure him first, like what I'm doing right here, guys. I secure the fish first, then I get my pliers out right here, and see, you gotta make sure you hold them good, guys, because what you don't want is that treble hook flipping into your hands like I've had happen twice. All right, guys, so let's put that lure down safely and get this barra up so you guys can see. Put my pliers away. Give me a second, guys. Keep this fish up for you. Here, guys, barra hunter, killer, Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. We are out here. Yeah, man, this guy's going home. This guy's definitely lunch today, guys. All right, so we have this guy secured up. Let me get the string out. That's the next thing that I use, guys. I always have my string, because the cooler's in the car, but I keep my fish string with me so that I can actually string my kill up and keep it in a bag so it's safe and stuff. And the reason why I haven't dispatched this guy yet is because I'm trying to keep him fresh. So basically I'm gonna throw him in the water and tie him onto this log someplace that he can't go nowhere, and then dispatch him afterwards when I'm leaving. He'll still be alive, but he'll be fresh. That's why they have that long needle on here, guys, so you can do stuff like this. Got my tool back, got my catch in the water. Let's get them down in there and keep them fresh, guys, right? So how we're gonna do this now, we're just gonna tie a slip knot on here. our catch. Right there, guys. Get him tied up so he can't go nowhere. Come on. They're fast. You seen how fast that was, guys? That was friggin' fast. As the lure hit the water, he hit it. I felt it. So I got some new lures, like I told you guys I was going to order some new lures the other day, right? My original set. And the white one is a killer. I could feel the teeth marks in it already. He's a killer. White lure, guys. This is it. This bad boy, this in the pink is like crazy when it comes to catching barracudas. I knew he was right there. So that's one territory. We'll probably have one more hanging out someplace off here someplace, or even up further, but I don't have my wade fishing gears with me today, guys, so I can't actually go up that side. I'm gonna get my boots wet, and I don't want that. So let's see if we can pick up a bigger one, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing. That was definitely a good shot. I'll get a little bit further down that side, guys, because they spread out. They don't normally all chill in one spot. I see the bait fish down there. Get this lure in that water and get their attentions. Oh shit. Didn't want that happening. I got over the tree with my line. Make sure my hooks are okay. My line's okay. You gotta double check this stuff, guys, because when you do get hit, you're getting a hit. So you gotta make sure everything on it is aligned like the way it's supposed to, or you'll probably end up losing your fish and lure. So I'm always checking my leads, always checking my lines, guys. Get out there. Alright, guys. That's what's up. Barra hunters out, guys. That's what's up. See if we can pick another one up or two. They're here. I know that, and there's big ones here too, really big ones. Hopefully that I can get one of their attention. I'm not going to move just yet from here because I'm going to go a little bit further down. But what I want to do is see if I can get a jackfish attention with this paddle tail on there, with this this lure. Maybe a nice blue runner jack or something like that, guys. Who knows? He just jumped on it right there, guys. You seen that, guys? Oh my gosh, man, that was crazy. That means this thing is getting attention, guys. That's what's up. You seen that thing as it hit the water, man. The friggin' eyesight of the fish is crazy. Yeah. That's what's up, guys. There's something to jump a while ago. Here, guys. Yeah, guys. So, thank you guys for joining us, man. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys, and please watch the ads, guys. Definitely watch the ads, and big up to all of the channels and everyone out there. Thank you guys for your support. 100%, guys. We're out here, we push out extra effort, guys, and try to get you some content. Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.